Hey everybody, this is Sean at All Dreams Travel, checking into another hotel here. This time it's the Hyatt Regency, Lake Washington in Renton, Washington. That's just right outside of Seattle. There's another dance competition here that we're going to. I think it's Velocity Weekend. So anyway, we just checked into room 827, club level, on the 8th floor, of course. And here we go. We got... as you walk right in the door, you're gonna see the bathroom straight ahead. We got a full-size mirror here as you walk in. Let's go and check out the bathroom now, since it's the first thing you see. But there is a little area right here to hang your, or not to hang, but to put your luggage. A little area that's out of the way. It looks like they've got some interesting coat hooks. Look at that. They come out, and there you go. You got hangers. This is the first time we've ever stayed here, and they said that there was, for the dance competitions, they have a $100 gift for the cleanest room at the end of the week. And that's kind of funny. Your bathroom's got a big slider door, like a pocket door. It's pretty heavy though. It'll keep all the stuff out. On the straight ahead, we got the mirror with the light around it. With the makeup cosmetic mirror, you got your Kleenex, probably got some stuff in there. A nice little faucet. Here's the Bigelow brand, is what they use up there. You probably can't see that. Bigelow brand. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There you go. Some towels there. Hair dryer underneath, a bath mat. Here's the tub with just a normal shower. Oh, they're following Disney there. Look at that. They've got the shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner right there in the tub, as Disney does. And so now we got the shower head. Look at this though. This is like there's a towel hook right here, but look at this little rigmarole for the, I guess, the toilet. Let's open that up. Yeah, there's a toilet in there. So it's kind of like that glass deal with the choose your flush method. So nice room. Glass door there. So as we come out of the bathroom to the left, you're gonna see the coffee. It's a Keurig, and then a coffee pot too for keeping water, or keeping it hot. I don't know, water hot maybe, or water warm. Then you got a little glass door refrigerator, no freezer. What do we have here? This opens up. Ah, that's where the ironing board is. Kind of neat, little nook. Got some drawers down there. You got the place to put your suitcase. Some hangers. That's the thing about here. There's no closet. It's just this little deal right there. You've got a safe, ice bucket, $5 water, some drawers. You can see those drawers. Man, look at the size of this TV. So that's a big TV. Gonna have to wrestle Caitlin for the bed that faces it. Got your recycles, got a big light there, and then you got a little table, a chair, a working area back here with some two USB points and a plug, a little lamp, kind of a little swivel chair it looks like. Then we have the beds, the queen beds, 2 queen beds in this room. There's one, and then we've got 2 lights by it. Nice modern alarm clock, telephone, and you've got 2 more USB ports back there with 2 more plugs. Remote. There's the second bed. So thermostat on the side of the wall is normal. And then our view, we're doing a lot of construction out here, but our view is, that's our view. Right now you can see construction down there, some office campuses, it looks like. So some office buildings. The lake is right to our left. I think it starts is where the rooms with the view are. We couldn't get a room with a view, so that of the lake, but here we go. So that's room 827, Hyatt Regency, Lake Washington, Renton, Washington, next to Seattle. That's the overflow. Okay, so what's the deal? We'll see you at the next rope drop. One thing I forgot to do on the room tour was show you this little window that opens up so you can get some fresh air in. So it opens up just about like that. So nobody escaping, but you can have some fresh air if you want. Push it back and lock her down. Hey there, here's the club level at the Regency Hyatt, the Hyatt Regency Lake Washington, Renton, Washington. It's got an executive room in here with a big TV that you could set up. They got some computers to check in at the airport. We got a long table, that's our mess on the table. We got a big TV here with some loungers. Heck of a view on the lake here. You can see that view of the lake. Got some stuff to do around here. It's the weekend, the Kentucky Derby. While we're here, another TV over here. Some more views. This is going to be a full tables. It's going to be a full serve breakfast in the morning. So it's got some glasses up there, some beer and wine that are locked. Got some cookies right now at midday. You've got some granola making station. Got some kind of water thing there, possibly water filter. Got some drinks, some soda. Oh, what are you guys doing? Get another cup. Technical difficulties here. I'm filming. Is that latte, chai,
it
tea?
Will come out on itself. We'll make it up to them on the clean room contact.
There we go. Got some fruit, yogurt, some juices. Off the counter, full service breakfast like I said in the morning. There's another room. Another big TV. They had a special on big TV with a little fireplace in there. But, so that's the club level. We're gonna have some fun in the club.
I like it.